Hi you guys, thank you so much for watching. The mail just arrived while I was out working in the garden, so I thought I'd come in and do a quick unboxing video for you. This is another plant that I ordered from Mercari. I ordered it on Monday and it got to me by Thursday, which is awesome. Super quick shipping. The last order that I got arrived like exactly the same. So let me go ahead and open it. Here's the box. So let's go ahead and get this guy open. So far I've had a good experience. At least the first experience was good. I think so far with this one, the shipping has been super good. Quick. And you know, we all like quick shipping when we're ordering plants online. So what's in this puppy. Ooh, I like the packaging already. There's another. So here's what it looks like. So there's another seller on Etsy that ships in little packages like this. That ships like this, which I love. Nice. This is really good packaging, you guys. So let's see what's in here. What did I order? There she is. It's a Hoya, variegated Hoya heart. Now look. So I got this for about 20 bucks. I made an offer. I think it was listed at like 22. So I offered them, I think it was 20. And they accepted. So this has a stem on it, so we should be able to get a full plant out of this. It might not be super fast, but that's okay. I like the challenge of rooting things. So yeah, this actually looks really good. Let's see. I know they have one more left, which that's a little bit bigger than this and a little bit more stem. So yeah, this baby looks good. Hopefully we'll get some roots pretty quickly, and then we'll get some more stem action, more leaves and things like that. It'll take a while, but that's okay. Cute. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to encourage you guys to give Mercari a try. It's a selling app just like Poshmark or Etsy. And you can go on there and list items that you want to sell, or you can go on there to buy items. And they have plants, they have house plants. So yeah, go and check them out. All right guys, thanks so much for watching. Bye.